in the whole digital printing industry. Okay, now we are going to start off with what is DTF, how Sublistar DTF printer actually works, and what is the difference between DTF and other printing techniques, for example, DTG, sublimation, etc. Okay, before we get started, let's briefly introduce what is DTF printing first. Direct-to-film printing is a unique technology that involves printing designs onto special films for transfer onto garments. Like you can see right here, this is all DTF. DTF printing is a heat transfer process that has the ability to last as long as traditional screen printing. When it comes to DTG printer, you know that it's usually a cotton printer. The most troublesome thing about DTG is that it cannot print on polyester. Moreover, if you print on t-shirts with different colors, dark colors and light colors, you also need pre-treatments. As for DTF printing, it can print on almost all fabric materials without any pre-treatments, which saves time and money. DTF printing can transfer any kind of image, including artwork. As you can see, I have some artwork here, photographs, logos, designs, and more to fabric, which is not only limited to apparel. DTF printing allows you to create, DTF printing allows you to create t-shirts, hoodies. As you can see with me here, I have some t-shirts, and here is a hoodie over there, hats, shorts, bags, flags, banners, and any other fabric items. It's fantastic. We recommend DTF printers most, but if you need DTG printers, UV printers, and sublimation printers, we also provide. After all, each printing method has its advantages. You can click on the link of our comment area to view more details. If you want to start a DTF printing business, what you'll need is a DTF printer. I'm going to show you that, guys, in a few, with a 5-ink channels CMYK plus white, special DTF printing inks, DTF hot melt powder, DTF transfer film. I'm going to show you guys all of these equipments, and a heat press machine. We, Sublistar, provide one solution, one-stop solution. We supply all the machines, the consumables mentioned above, and now we have the promotion of buying machines and getting free consumables. So what we basically mean is that we can provide everything from the machines to the powders. So we have everything available. You don't have to stress yourself. So I'm going to talk a bit about the features and advantages. In terms of consumables, the white ink on the market is too white, but our ink will not be too white, and the fluency is also guaranteed. The shelf life is about 10 to 12 months. It can last between 10 and 12 months. The raw materials are imported from Japan, and they will not block the nozzle, because for other white inks, you might find that the nozzle will get blocked. We provide good quality raw materials, guys. In the case of DTF transfer film, some transfer films quality on the market, they are too poor and the ink will flow down. The reason is that the film coating is too thin and uneven, and some problems, such as the printed pattern color is not bright, and the film is difficult to peel. This may be due to poor release of the original film. At present, our film is widely praised by our customers. You can have a try, and I'm going to show you our film as well. Very good quality, guys. We only have the best quality on the market. The films on the market now mainly include single-sided matte film, double-sided matte film, a single-sided cold peel film, a single-sided hot peel film, double-sided cold peel film, and a double-sided hot peel film. The single-sided made film is easy to bake and stick together when it enters the oven. Don't worry, guys. I'm sure you must be confused with all these terms that I'm telling you about, but very soon I'm going to show you about all these things that I'm talking about, the single film and also the oven, the one that I'm talking about. The double-sided made film is easy to bake and stick together when entering the oven, but the double-sided made film has friction and won't slip, so the printing effects will be better. In addition to ordinary double-sided made film, we also provide gold film, glitter film, colorful film, and temperature change film. The gold film and glitter film have a rough feel, and the coating of the colorful film is more delicate and of higher quality. When the temperature change film is at 31 or 32 degrees Celsius, the whole pattern will change color, which makes the transferred articles more interesting. DTF hot melt powder, we mainly supply coarse powder, fine powder. I'm going to show you the powder as well. We also have anti-stretch powder and anti-sublimation powder. The pattern printed with coarse powder feels hard, while the pattern printed with the fine powder feels soft. Anti-stretch powder, no doubt, the pattern is not easy to deform. So the anti-stretch powder, it will help you to have a very good quality shirt, because if you stretch it, it will still remain, the design will still remain the same. It's not going to crack or anything like that. So we also have the anti-stretch powder, that's the one I'm talking about. And the pattern is not easy to deform, guys. It's more suitable for elastic fabrics such as sportswear and other stretchy fabrics as well. The anti-sublimation powder can be divided into black powder and transparent powder. The black powder is actually added with activated carbon so that the pattern will not sublimate from liquid states to vapor states and will not permeate. Transparent powder is added with anti-sublimation chemical raw materials to block sublimation and keep the original pattern. So guys, I'm about to show you how the Sublistar DTF printing machine works. So come with me and I'll show you guys how it works. So come with me, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications to get more news about our machines and more updates. So let's take a look at how the DTF printing machine works. As you can see, the whole machine is composed of a DTF printer. This is our DTF printer and the powder shake machine. First, we're going to use Photoshop and other software to design our pattern. So I'm going to take you guys throughout the whole process so you see how we print our designs. Okay. So I'm going to show you how we do this. Okay. So like I said, we're going to use Photoshop or any other software. So this is the software we are using. And let me show you how you can actually insert the designs from scratch. So I basically have my designs saved up in here. Let me use our Sublistar logo. Okay. So I'm basically going to copy it and paste it so that I have plenty of those. So I'm just going to adjust the sizes, as you can see here. Guys, this is very easy to do. It's simple. It's not complicated at all. Okay, so as you can see, I've got our Sublistar logo, and now I'm going to show you how to actually use the DTF printer and print it out. Okay, so let's call it Subli stream, since we are doing our live stream. Okay, so our logo is loading. I'm going to show you how we actually print it out so you can take a look. Okay. Guys, this is actually fun to do. I'm enjoying doing this. So we're going to open up our printer here, and then we're going to look the Subli stream that we saved. Okay, so let's open our folder. Oops. Okay, so like I mentioned previously, I saved it as Subli stream. So we're going to open that, and then we're going to print it. So you can join me and see how we do it. So now let's look at our printer, guys. So we call it the DTF printer or our PET film printer. Our printer is equipped with double Epson i3200 print heads, and we directly use after unpacking when you receive the machine. And this is different from traditional printing methods. All our series of DTF printers are new staggered inkjet printing technology, from the original linear inkjet printing method to staggered inkjet printing. Our printer, as you can see, guys, our printer has achieved uninterrupted film feeding. It saves a lot of film feeding time. The printing efficiency and speed are increased by 2 times. 4-pass accuracy surpasses 6-pass. Maximum print speed even up to 20 square meters per hour. Our latest machine has another bright spot. We have added the nozzle compensated function. The original nozzle compensated technology can solve the problem of missing printing. Through this technology, the printer can automatically monitor the printing process. If the lines are discontinuous and there are blank areas, the nozzle will spray again to fill up the missing areas to ensure the output of a perfect picture. This improves print head lifetime, print quality, and increases the reliability and uptime. Many printers in the market will break the needles when printing for reliability and uptime. So, looking at the pinch roller, these are the pinch roller. You can show them. Those are the pinch rollers there. This function is to stabilize the PET film. Then the white color registration is more accurate. Our latest series pinch rollers, they are adjustable. Those are the pinch rollers, guys. According to the printing material, adjust the plates and supports to adjust the pressure of the pressure roller to ensure smooth paper feeding and improve the effects, which can increase the friction force during paper feeding, making the process more stable and reliable, and avoid indentation and other phenomena during printing. It ensures high printing accuracy during printing and outputs. And over here, this is the control panel, the print test, print head, and print head cleaning, etc. They are all set here. Here you can see the ink cartridge, C, M, Y, K, and white. Our machines with 3 or more print heads can also print fluorescent colors. And for more information, you can visit www.sublistar.com/DTF printing/DTF 6003 fluor color printing machine. Okay. If you have a printer, you must know that the print head is one of the most important parts of the printer. In use process, you must find it that the most troublesome problem should be that the ink blocks the nozzle. Once the ink blocks the nozzle and cleaning the nozzle is not useful, we have to replace a new print head. The print head can be said to be the most expensive part of the printer. It's huge cost. Therefore, we have added filters in white ink circulation system to promote the circulation of white ink and avoid white ink clogging. Our important filter not only effectively intercepts large particles and gels and other impurities, but also allows the required pigment dyes to pass through and remain in the ink. The imported filter has excellent impurity filtering ability and longer service life. More features and advantages of our latest model DTF machine. We will make detailed explanations in the next video. Next, take a look at the powder shaking machine. The transfer film will slowly pass through the powder shaking parts and the drying parts at the back. You can see a touch screen in the middle of the powder and shaking drying parts. This is the PLC touch screen. You can set the time, temperature, and other operations here. The transparent box you see is a powder box. We need to pour the appropriate amount of DTF hot melt powder into this box. So this is the hot melt powder. As you can see, this is the powder.
Two surprises. Interesting. You can say thank you to the subscribers.
Okay. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for the live stream. Thank you so much. I hope you're subscribed, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can also invite other people to come and watch these interesting machines, guys. Join us. So I'm still showing you our DTF powder. And it should be noted that sometimes you turn on the control button of the flour, but the hot melt powder will not drop normally due to much powder. In this case, you need to take out some hot melt powder to use it normally. You can see the area where the hot melt powder is dropped, surrounded by printed film, and hot melt powder will be evenly covered onto the PET film. So have a close look, guys. Guys, this is super interesting. So the transfer film will slowly pass through the heating and drying system and melt it through high temperature, tightly stick to the printed pattern. So this is basically the oven I was talking about, guys. And as you can see, it has some cooling fans here so that when your design comes out, it will come out nice and dry and ready to be used on our t-shirts or anywhere that you want to place your design. Okay, so guys, you've seen this is basically the DTF printing machine and the whole machines that we have here. We've got these in stock. If you are interested to know more, click the link in the comment section in the bio, guys, to find out more information. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually take these designs and print it out on your t-shirts or any of our other products that I'm going to show you. And this is where the heat press machine comes in, guys. This is super fun to do. So I'm going to show you how to use the heat press machine. And I think that's the most easiest to use, actually. So we're going to get our designs, and then I'm going to show you guys how we do it. So we use those designs there. All right. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you. So guys, this is our heat transfer machine. So we're going to take some products and we're going to see the effects, okay? So we're going to need our designs and any cotton that we're going to use as well. But let me first show you how you use this machine. So first, okay, so let me show you whilst I'm actually doing the actual thing. Let me get a t-shirt. Can I use the t-shirts? Okay. So I'm going to use this t-shirt, guys, to demonstrate to you how we use the heat press machine. So I'm going to put our t-shirts here. And as you can see, our t-shirt has creases. It's not perfectly ironed out. So we need to make sure that our t-shirt is nice and smooth and it doesn't have creases on. So to use our heat press machine, we have to make sure that we set our temperature. And you click this button here. And you can adjust to whatever temperature, but us, we're going to use 165 degrees, and then we set it and change the time. You can set it to what time you need, but we're going to use it on 15 seconds as well. So it's very easy to use, guys. So let's first press our t-shirt first to make sure it's nice and smooth and it doesn't have any creases. So you just press this green button here and wait for the timer. This is so fun, guys. I'm actually enjoying doing this. To sing any of your questions and we'll gladly answer them. All right, so this is the automatic machine, as you can see. And now you can see our t-shirt is nice and smooth. Just wait for it to cool down a bit whilst I get our design. Okay. So let me look for a cool design that we can use on our t-shirt. We can use sunsets, okay. So we're going to get our design here. So let me cut out our design. Guys, this is super fun. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us any of your questions, and we'll definitely answer your questions. So you just cut out our design. And the fun thing about this is that you can make your own design. You can make your own logo. That's the most fun thing about this. Okay, so we're going to use sunsets. Okay. So we just come back here to our t-shirts, and we're going to put it right here in the middle. I think it will look nicer on the middle. Just put it there, and then we get our machine. Do not forget how I showed you to change the temperature, to also adjust the time. So we can change it to, yeah, I want it at 165 actually. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's perfect like this. So we're going to bring our machine back here. Press the green button. Guys, this is nice and fun. This is nice and fun, and the quality is amazing. Like I said, we use the best products on the markets. We use the best products on the markets. So stay tuned as we're going to see our final design. So as you can see here, so let it cool down first. Let it cool down. Because it's still a bit hot. Okay, so now to just peel it off, you're going to start from the bottom going up. Just hold your t-shirts down like this, and you're just going to quickly peel it off. Wow, this looks amazing, guys. Wow, look at that. Look at the quality. And like I said, you can even, it will still remain the same. The quality is amazing, guys. This is super fun to do. And just like that, I have printed my own t-shirts with a nice design, guys. You see? Very good quality, guys. We only use the best materials on the markets, as you can see. So you can basically print out anything using our machines, guys. You can print out bags. I can show you how to print out a bag as well. You can print out some baby clothes as well. We've got you can print out different types of products, really. So let me show you how to print out this wonderful bag. Let's make it nice and colorful. So we just bring it back again to our heat press machine. So you see, we're gonna put our bag here. And the main reason why I'm gonna put this book inside is to make sure our design is nice and flat so that it doesn't come out all scrumpled and all that. So we're gonna put in our design here. And I don't need to press this first. So we're just gonna put it here. We want our design to be. There we go. And I'm gonna get another design. So I think we can get, okay, this one is nice. We can use this love design. This would be nice. Let's see if it fits first. No, this one doesn't fit. It's too big. I need something smaller. This one is also too big. I need something smaller. Okay, let's check from this side. Okay, I think we can use, okay, let's just make a small logo. So we can use this logo right here. Okay, so we can use this logo. So let me show you guys. So we're basically gonna put our logo here. And we make sure your time and temperature are set as well. So we're just gonna bring our machine back here. And there we go. So this is the wonderful heat transfer machine, guys. This is the one that does the final magic. Okay, here we go. So we have our design here. Let it cool down first. Let it cool down because it's still hot. And be careful, guys, when you're using this machine. It's too hot. Be careful, don't burn yourself. I think this is fun, actually. So just hold it down again. And from top to bottom, you just peel it off. There we go. Oh, this one didn't get enough heat. This one didn't get enough heat. Make sure you put the right temperature, guys. Put the right temperature so that you have effective results, okay? For me, I didn't put the right temperature for the bag. That's why I don't have an effective result. But put the right temperature as well and also the right timer, okay? And that will ensure that you get a proper result. So should we try a baby clothes or?
Okay, try baby clothes.
Okay.
Or this one.
Okay, so last but not least, guys, we're gonna try this baby cloth here. We're gonna put some design on it. And this is super fun, guys. So I think we can use, oh, I think the Spider-Man will be nice. So we're gonna put this Spider-Man design right on this baby cloth here. So, again, make sure that you heat press it first so that it becomes smooth and easy. So let's heat press it first before we put our design. There we go. Guys, this is super easy to use. This is super easy. Okay. See, this is nice and smooth, as you can see. Make sure it's nice and smooth. That way it will be easier to put on your design. So we're gonna put this Spider-Man design here. As you can see, this is so beautiful. So again, guys, make sure you've got it onto the right temperature and make sure you also adjust your timer. So let's us wait and see for the final results. Okay, here we go.
It's longer to peel off, longer.
Okay.
Wait,
Okay. So guys, you can see we have already put our Spider-Man design onto our baby onesie. So let's just wait for it to cool down, and then we're going to peel it off and we see the final results.
Say hello to this person.
Oh, hello, Mora Clothing. Hello, Frida. Hello, Amandina. Thank you so much, guys, for joining this live stream. I hope you're enjoying. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe today. Invite your friends as well. Share our channel so that they know more about these wonderful machines that we have. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to leave them in the comment section and we'll answer you. Hello, Nick. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so happy to have you here. Thank you so much, guys. I'm really happy to have you here. Please, please don't forget to share this live stream as well. Don't forget to click the thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more updates. So I was just showing you guys about our DTF printing machines and also our heat press machines as well. I've been printing out some designs, putting them on our clothes here, so I show you how our machines work. So I'm about to peel off one of the designs that we just did right here. So hold it down and you're going to peel off from bottom going up. So like this. Oh, okay. Wow. Woo! This looks amazing. Wow, this looks amazing, guys. Wow, just look at that. And look at how you can actually stretch this and the design will still remain the same, guys. The design will remain the same. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section, or you can give us a message as well. This is so beautiful, as you can see. So we did our t-shirts, we did our bag, and we also did this baby cloth here. Guys, we've got the best quality machines. We use high quality products as well. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask down below in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button. Recommend your friends as well. Invite as many friends as you can so they can join us for more of our live streams. So like I said, guys, you can print out different types of designs. We've got different types of designs. Any design of your choice, logos as well. Our machines can simply print out that. We can print out on hoodies, bags, t-shirts, any clothing, apparel as well. You can definitely print out your design on it. Our machines are very good at printing out such stuff. Okay, I see Mora Clothing is asking, how do we know about the right temperature and duration for different fabrics, including the bags? Like, how do you know which temperature to set for what type of products each?
Actually, for the temperature, we recommend the normal temperature about 165 and the heat press for 15 to 20 seconds. So that is the recommended diameter we recommend for the heat press.
Okay. And what was the other question? So guys, you heard that. They recommend 165 degrees for the temperature and the timer from 15 to 20 seconds. You are a great explanation. You are South African. I have several. Mohammed, thank you so much for joining my live stream. Yes, I'm from Southern Africa. I hope to see your orders soon as well in our machines. Thank you so much for joining me, Mohammed. Please do not forget to subscribe, guys, and turn on post notifications as well. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask me, guys. Like I've shown you our machine. I can show you our machine again so you know what I'm talking about. So this is our DTF printer, guys. This is where you print out all these different types of designs. As you can see here, everything is advanced and they're super easy to use as well. Why DTF printing feels sicker? Mohammed, what do you mean when you say it feels sicker than sublimation? Okay.
Hello, Mohammed. You asked why DTF printing feels thicker than sublimation. Because DTF, the first we print the design on a film, a PET film, like a transparent material. So you print the films and transfer on fabric. So it feels like a sticker. But for now, we offer the different another different type of detail film that you can feel smooth. And Eric, you asked, can we use DTF on paper? Oh, sorry, dear, cannot. DTF used only for fabric. It can use any kind of fabric, cotton, polyester, canvas, but cannot use on paper.
Did you understand, guys? Did you understand? If you still have any more questions, feel free to ask any of your questions. Like Sarah just explained, you cannot use DTF on paper. You can only use it on fabrics. You can use it on fabrics. So this is basically the machine right here, as you can see. And you just saw our heat press machine as well. So guys, if you have any inquiries, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section. And we also have agents in different countries as well, in the USA, Canada, in Germany, in Italy. So if you're interested in becoming our agents as well, feel free to get in touch with us. Just leave your WhatsApp or your contact details, and we'll definitely be in touch, guys. So if you have any more questions, feel free to ask me any of your questions. I'll gladly answer them.
That's all about the script. I think it's only about half an hour, so we can repeat the streaming, repeat a lot live streaming, because we don't know how much we pay you. At least 2 hours.
Okay,
so
yes.
You can live stream like 3 to 4 times.
Okay.
Or less than 2 hours.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, Eric. Yes. DTF can use on almost any kind of fabric. So it's suitable for most market. Yeah, you can do t-shirt, you can do like fabric, textile, garment, polyester, silk. Yeah, silk can also work with DTF. So you want to watch the example for silk? So do heat transfer on silk.
Okay. So I'm going to show you guys the heat transfer on silk. We're going to use a silk material. Oopsie. Okay. All right.
Say Eric, yes, we will do it.
Okay. So we're going to show how you can transfer on silk fabric. Okay? So here's the silk that we're going to use, as you can see. This is actually a silk, look, a pillow cover, right? This is a silk cover. So again, we just repeat the process of putting it down right here. And like I said, make sure it's flatly ironed out and it doesn't have any creases on it. Make sure it's nice and smooth if it's nice and smooth, you get effective results. So do not forget to adjust your temperature as well, and also the timer. Don't forget just that. You just click this button here, and you can adjust your temperature. So I'm just going to bring it back to 165, and then the time to 15 seconds as well. So let's smoothen this out. Okay. So we're just going to make our fabric nice and smooth first before we put a design onto it. Okay, so let's design that we can put on. So you can come with me, we find a design. I think we can use, okay. Okay, we can use the boy here. So we're just going to cut out the design. There we go. Okay. So we're going to use this handsome boy here to put on our pillow cover. So just put it right here. There we go. Then we bring our heat press machine. So you just wait, be patient. And before you know it, we're going to have a handsome boy on our pillow cover. Okay. So, like I said, guys, we're going to wait a bit first before we remove the film over. We're going to wait for it to cool down because it's too hot. It's too hot. So let's wait for it to cool down a bit. So if you have any more questions, feel free to be asking me, and I can gladly answer your questions. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And if you have any inquiries or any questions, guys, feel free to ask. So we are just waiting for our design to cool off, and then we're going to peel it off. So you can share this live stream, invite your friends to join me. But if you have any questions, guys, feel free to ask any of your questions. I'll gladly answer them. Okay, I think it has cooled down, so you just hold it down, peel it from bottom, top. So let's do this. Okay. Wow. Oh, this is nice, as you can see. So Eric, this is how it looks like on the silk fabric. This is how it looks like. Very good quality and texture as well. This is how it looks like. Let me hold it up. There we go. This is so nice. This is what it looks like. So if you have any inquiries, guys, about the different types of fabrics or anything like that, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. So this is so nice and neat as well. Like I said, always make sure that the temperature is set correctly and the timing is also set correctly. If it's set correctly, you will get nice results like this one here. This is so nice. And like I said, this is so fun to do, guys. So you can basically print out any design of your choice, any design, any logo, using our machines right here. And wow, I actually like this. I actually like this. So I'm going to show you again how to print another design. So we are back here again. So let's look for is it possible to do caps with DTF? Okay, Sarah is going to answer that for me.
Hi, Eric. So you ask, is it possible to do caps with DTF? Yes, it can also do with the caps. Just need to change the head press. For now, the head press we use for flat, but if you use the cap head press, you can transfer DTF on caps. So you need to change the head press so you can do on the caps.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna attempt to print another design. So originally we had printed out this Sublistar, and I'm sure you guys saw it come out from the printers that side. So now I wanna try printing out another design. So let's delete this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna go into a folder where our designs are. And I'm gonna use this one here. Okay, so as you can see, this one has different types of designs onto it as well. Different types, we've got a Merry Christmas logo, we've got this monkey here, smile. So let's try printing out that one. And it's super easy, guys. Just watch me as I do it. Okay. Since Eric has been asking questions, let me name it Eric. Let's name this design Eric. Save it, okay. It's loading. And you can do any design, guys, any design. If you're a person who knows how to make their own designs as well, that's also good. You can print out any design of your choice. Okay, so it has loaded. Now let's get it to print. Okay. Let's look for Eric, the design that we made. And here is Eric. That's what I named our design. Okay, and we just click print. Okay, so come see, guys, as the design's gonna start printing out. As you can see, the printer is already ready. And this was our previous design, and this is the latest one that I just printed out now. And you can see for yourself, guys, these are high quality machines. And we also have the best inks on the market. We provide all of these consumables as well. The powder and everything we can also provide. And it's super interesting. Just look at how nice the designs are coming out.
Mohammed asked what format, so show the picture format on the computer.
Okay, Mohammed, I'm going to show you the format of our software. Okay, so let me minimize this.
Actually, Mohammed, you ask what format of the photo, the picture we use in the software, right? Actually, any format like JPG, PNG, or PDF, but we recommend you save it as TIFF format. So you can see the format of the picture is TIFF format. So use Photoshop first to save it as TIFF format. Yeah, save as TIFF format, and then use the control software to.
This is super cool, guys. I really think this is super interesting.
So, Mohammed, you ask the white is made by software. Actually, you need to make the white spot channel in Photoshop first. Yes. So make the white channel in Photoshop. Then you can print it by the white. And I can show you the Photoshop. Yeah, now I show you the picture in Photoshop software. Actually, you can watch the right corner of the Photoshop. This is the channel, and you need to make the white channel. Yeah. So make the white channel for your picture so you can print white. Outside things. And we have tutorial video of how to make the white spot channel in our YouTube channel, in Sublistar channel. We have the tutorial.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, our design is still passing through our printer. In fact, our design is actually done. So now it's now passing through the powder shaking machine, guys. And I had showed you earlier on, this is the powder box. And here is our high quality powder that we use. So our designs are now gonna pass through this machine, and as you can see, there we go. So Mohammed, I see you're asking how many times you wash the fabric without the printing getting damaged. You can actually wash it over 70 times. You can wash it 70 times. We are using high quality products, Mohammed, like the ink and everything is high quality and it stays onto your clothing for quite some time. So you can see our designs are passing through. Okay. So basically, guys, it's gonna pass through this powder. After we print it out, it's gonna pass through the So those are more designs being printed out. Guys, this is super interesting, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video as well, and you can share it with your friends. Share the live stream with your friends. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us any of your questions. If you have any inquiries, feel free to let us know. We'll answer them. So even if you want to buy these machines for your own use or you want to be our agent, you give your WhatsApp and email. Don't forget to be giving a thumbs up, guys, and subscribe to the channel. So take a look at our powder shaking machine again. The transfer film will slowly pass through the powder shaking part and the drying part at the back. The drying part is at the back.
This question, we recommend the contract 102 pixel. And this question, the advantage we have.
Okay, so Mohammed's are making contracts. So we're going to recommend 1 to 2 pixel. So, Mohammed, I also saw your question saying what are the advantages of choosing your printer over other brands and what are the problems you fixed in your latest model. Okay, so in terms of consoles, the white ink on the market is too white and our ink will not be too white and the fluency is guaranteed. The shelf life is about 10 to 12 months. The raw materials are imported from Japan and they will not block the nozzle. So in case of the DTF transfer film, so this is basically the film. Some transfer films quality on the market are poor and the ink will flow down. The reason being that the film coating is too thin or uneven and some problems such as the printed pattern color is not bright and the film is difficult to peel. This may be due to poor release of the original film, and at present our film is widely praised by customers. You can actually give it a try. So the films on the market, they now mainly include single-sided matte film, double-sided matte film, single-sided cold peel film, single-sided hot peel film, double-sided cold peel film, and double-sided hot peel film. The single-sided matte film is easy to bake and stick together when entering the oven. The double-sided matte has friction and won't slip, so the printing effects will be better. In addition to ordinary double-sided matte film, we also provide gold film, glitter film, colorful film, and temperature change film. The gold film and glitter film have a rough feel, and the coating of the colorful film is more delicate and of higher quality. When the temperature change film is at 31 or 32 degrees Celsius, the whole pattern will change color, which also makes the transferred articles more interesting. And then about our hot melt powder, DTF hot melt powder, we mainly supply coarse powder, fine powder, anti-stretch powder, and anti-sublimation powder. The pattern printed with coarse powder feels hard, while the pattern printed with fine powder feels soft. Anti-stretch powder, no doubt the printed pattern is not easy to deform and is more suitable for elastic fabrics such as sportswear. The anti-sublimation powder can be divided into black powder and transparent powder. The black powder is actually added with activated carbon so that the pattern will not sublimate from liquid states to vapor states and will not permeate. The transparent powder is added with anti-sublimation chemical raw materials to block sublimation and keep the original pattern. So Mohammed, I hope you got a brief understanding of why you should choose our machines and our products as well. Our products last longer, they are more, they have a higher quality. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me any of your questions. If you have any inquiries, feel free to let me know and I'll gladly answer them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel as well.
So hello Mohammed, you ask what is the latest DTF printer and what the difference between this model and the last model? Yeah. For now, the machine you watch on our live stream is 16 and 2 Pro Max. The model 16 and 2 Pro Max. Actually, the latest model is Star 3. And the printer weight is 16. Model we do on video you watch on this video actually is the older version. The version and the latest model Star 3. So you can check Star 3 more info from our website, www.sublistar.com. You can check the latest information of the latest model from our website, or you can contact or later I will ask our marketing sales to contact you and send you the information of our latest model.
So guys, as you can see, you can print out many different designs. This is super fun and interesting to do, guys. This is super fun. You can make your own t-shirts, your own logo designs, anything. This is super fun. So if you still have any more questions or inquiries, just let me know. Get to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. You can also invite your friends, guys, to come and join us and watch us do these fun things. I'm actually finding it fun. So you can see we are still printing out more designs. These are more designs. And we've got the best quality material, guys. You can see everything from our machines, our films as well. You can see we've got the best quality inks as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to be asking your questions. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. So this is the powder shaking machine, guys. That's the powder shaking machine. And this box here you see is the powder box. This is where our powder is in. And this part here, this smart touch screen, this is the PLC touch screen. This is where you set the time, temperature, and you can do other operations here as well. So the transfer film will slowly pass through the powder shaking parts and the drying parts at the back. So if you have any more questions, guys, feel free to be asking me any of your questions. If you have any questions, feel free to be asking me any of your questions. If you want us to do the heat transfer process again, feel free to let me know. We've got the best quality machines, guys.
手机快没电了，20%，还能撑一会儿吧。
And like I said, guys, we now have many agents in many countries. For example, USA, Canada, France, UK, Italy, Germany, and other countries. Whether you want to buy for your own use or you want to be our agent, you can leave your WhatsApp and email. So subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. You can also share this live stream with your friends as well. And if you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to let me know.
We're gonna charge the phone, but it's okay. We can charge the phone.
So guys, if you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to let me know. Feel free to ask and we'll gladly answer all your questions, guys. And as you can see right behind there, those are the pinch rollers. And the function of those is to stabilize the PET film. Then the white color registration is more accurate. Our latest series pinch roller is adjustable. According to the printing material, you adjust the plates and supports to adjust the pressure of the pressure roller to ensure smooth paper feeding and improve the effects, which can increase the friction force during paper feeding, making the process more stable and reliable, and avoid indentation and other phenomena during printing. So it basically ensures high printing accuracy during printing and outputs. So if you have any questions regarding the machines or anything that you're seeing, feel free to ask us and we'll gladly answer your questions. If you have inquiries as well, feel free, guys. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this live stream with your friends as well. And also subscribe to our channel, guys. So you can see, guys, the machines are super easy to use, guys. They're super easy to use. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me any of your questions, guys. So Mohammed, I see you asked what is the cost of printing 1 square meter, and it's 1 USD per square meter. 1 USD. Where are you watching us from, Mohammed? Where are you watching us from? Which country are you watching us from? Egypt. Wow. Thank you so much for joining our live stream. I really appreciate that. I'm looking forward to cooperate with you. So guys, feel free to ask any questions regarding our machines. And like I said, we've got the best quality machines and also consumables. We've got the best quality inks, best quality films as well. And if you want to know more information, you can actually check out our website at www.sublistar.com.
So Mohammed, you want to know more about UV DTF? Actually, UV DTF printer is another type, and it's different with DTF. UV DTF use UV printer to print the inks actually on AB film, AB transfer film, and print design on A film, and use the B film to transfer the design to the substrate. And the DTF worked with on fabric, and UV DTF works with hard substrate. So actually the DTF we do apparent decoration, and UV DTF used for like advertisement, like customer design on hard substrate. So it's different. Michael? Hi, Michael. You say I think your white ink is not good. So what do you mean the white ink is not good? So can you explain? Can you say something more about the white ink, or we can up closer to you to check the white ink? Actually, we have different types of white inks to supply, and we have. If you do the DTF business, I try our ink sample first. Yeah, Mohammed, you're welcome. You're welcome.
So guys, if you have any more questions, feel free to ask questions. If you have inquiries regarding the machines as well, feel free to ask. So I think, okay. So these are some of the designs here. And like I said, we've got the best film, we've got the best inks as well. And these are the designs that we have printed out that you can actually use on the heat machine with a t-shirt or any other fabric of your choice. So as you can see, we used this on a silk fabric, and it's very nice, guys. It's very, very nice. As you can see, the quality. You can basically use any fabric, guys, with our machines. You can use any fabric. We also did this one here. We also did this one here. We printed out the Spider-Man on this baby onesie. And as you can see, very good quality. And you can wash it up to 70 times, guys, and it will still remain the same. see. We only use the best quality materials, guys. You can basically print out any design of your choice. You can print out design of your choice. As you can see, we've got the TikTok logo here. Any design of your choice. And we also did this one today, as you can see. This is all good quality stuff, guys. And if you'd like me to use the heat press machine again to print out a design on anything, feel free to let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, if you have any inquiries, just feel free to let me know, guys, and I'll gladly answer you. So if you have any questions, any inquiries, if there's anything you would like to see here, feel free to let me know, and I'll gladly show you as well. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. So as you can see, this is the back of the machine, guys. These are the ink cartridges. This is the CMYK plus the whites, as you can see. And this is where our film goes right behind, and it will be ready to be printed with the design of your choice. So if you have any more questions, any inquiries, feel free to let me know, guys. Feel free to let me know. And this is the powder. As you can see, guys, we have the finest powder. We've got the best powder, guys, on the market. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, guys. If you have any questions, any inquiries, feel free to let me know. You can also check out our website to view more products on www.sublistar.com. So if you have any questions, guys, be asking me any of your questions. I'll gladly answer them. Be asking me any of your questions. If you have any inquiries as well, feel free to let me know.
So I explain the description.
Okay.
Hi, Michael. You made the white ink coverage. Hi, Michael. Are you there? So you asked the white ink. Yeah. As for the white ink, you can change the percent on the software. So first, this control software, because the normal we use 18%, and if you want the high percent, so you can change it to 100% or high or more, and then click save. And you can also change the white ink coverage on the RIP software. For now, we use the Mentop software, so you can change the white ink setting.
And this setting option for white ink. Yeah, this software, you rip your job. When you rip your job, you can set in the white ink from the mental rip software. So this option, you for now we use normal, and you can use other option to use other option to like 100% or the max, or the max white ink. Yeah, you can change it. So maybe we can show you if we use the max white ink and we confirm and we rip it again and show you the white ink coverage ability. Yeah, so just now I changed the white spot channel and normal to the max, and I confirm it, and I read this job again. So I named it Max the White Ink, and I click Save. So we wait the progress bar to 100%. Okay guys, so just now I rip the job again. So I print it. This one, yeah, this one, the Max White pen. This file just now I ripped with Mentop, and I changed the white ink percent 100. So I print it again. So pretty. Okay, Mike, are you there? So now you can check the white ink. The coverage ability is better than the beginning. So you can check the white ink ability now. Yeah, it's different, right? Yeah, so actually for the white ink ability, you can adjust by yourself, require your demand, okay?
So I pause the printer. Ê, 这个聊天的在哪？没了。Live chat。没有。没了。你拿你手机登一下，看看有没有在直播。
对，我刚刚你在那个时候，我就看他怎么没有。
So hi Michael, are you clear with the white ink? I thought I hope the explain I hope I explain your questions.
Okay, guys, so if you still have any more questions, feel free to ask. And do not forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel, guys. So as you can see, I'm still showing you guys our printer, our DTF printer. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, guys. If you have any inquiries as well, feel free to ask. If you have any inquiries as well, feel free to ask. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me any of your questions. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask any of your questions, guys. If you have any inquiries as well, feel free to ask us any of your inquiries. Subscribe to the channel and also don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Feel free to ask any questions, guys. If you have any inquiries as well, feel free to ask us. If there's anything that you would like me to show you, you can feel free to ask me to show you. I can show you the process again. And here, as you can see, this is our machine, Sublistar. If you want to view more of our products, you can check out our website as well, www.sublistar.com. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me any of your questions, guys. I'll gladly answer them. If you have any inquiries as well, feel free to ask me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. You can also share this live stream. You can share this live stream. Feel free to ask me any questions, guys. I'll gladly answer them. And like I said, we've got the best machines you can find on the market with the best consumables, best inks as well, and best powder. And these can last for up to 10 to 12 months. Our powders last to 10 to 12 months. Okay, back on.
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome back, guys. Sorry for the interruption. So I'm just going to show you some of the designs that are printed out today using our machines. So this is a silk pillow cover, as you can see, and we printed out this handsome boy here. And look at the quality of that, guys. You can basically print out any, you can use any material. And I also did this t-shirt here, as you can see. And it's super easy, guys. It's super easy. If you have any questions, feel free to be asking me. And I also did the Spider-Man print out on this baby onesie. And this came out so nice and so beautiful. And as you can see, I can, ooh. Okay. So as you can see, guys, this is nice, good quality. You can stretch this out. It will still remain the same. And here's another design that we did. As you can see, you can actually stretch this out. Stretch it. You see? The quality is very, very good, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to be asking me any of your questions, guys. Feel free to be asking me any of your questions. And like I said, we've got the best machines. We also use the best inks as well. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, guys. Subscribe to our channel. And you can see the quality is very good, guys. The quality is very, very good. You can see. And these are some of the designs that we printed out using our DTF printer. As you can see, we printed these out using our DTF printer. As you can see, many different designs that you can do, guys. You can do so many designs. You can print out logos as well. So many designs. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to ask me any of your questions. I will gladly answer them. As you can see, so many designs. You can print out anything, guys. We have a Bitcoin design here, as you can see. And this is super easy to do. If you watched this live stream from the beginning, I showed you guys how I was doing everything using our software and how I printed out some of the designs. And as you can see, we used our heat press machine to transfer this onto our t-shirts. As you can see, very good quality, guys. Very good quality. Very good quality. We have the silk pillow cover. And our baby onesie. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, guys. If you have any questions, any inquiries regarding our machines or anything that you saw during our live stream, feel free to ask me, guys. I'll gladly answer them.
So we can enter and see maybe next Wednesday. We are going to introduce Star 3 DTF, our new machine.
Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because next week, Wednesday, I will introduce to you our Star 3 DTF machine. So subscribe, turn on post notifications, and join me again next week, Wednesday, as I introduce to you our Star 3 DTF machine, guys. Here's another design. So subscribe, guys, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this live stream with your friends as well. You can print out different designs. We've got the TikTok logo here. We have different types. As you can see. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me any of your questions, guys. Oh, I like this design. No billionaires in heaven. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me any of your questions. If you have any inquiries, you can feel free to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me any of your questions, guys. Feel free. As you can see, I'm just showing you the designs that we printed using our DTF printer. These are some of the designs we printed out. As you can see here.
So there are no more questions right now. We can end this. Oh, what software?
What software you use?
Cover. Sure. Oh, so
The software. What software used for DTF? You mean the RIP software or the software to design the photo? Actually, the software design the picture, you can use Photoshop, Illustrator, and if you ask the RIP software, I mean like this RIP software. I recommend the RIP software we use Mentop, and the version of the Mentop is V6.1. Yeah, you can see this is the RIP software version. Yeah, the version. And we can also use like this FlexiPrint. Yeah, the FlexiPrint RIP software. I open this software to show you another version RIP software. Sorry, because use the software, you need a USB dongle. So just like this one. This one is USB dongle for Mentop. I tried to open the FlexiPrint software, but now I don't have the USB dongle, so I can't use it. So if you guys use the FlexiPrint RIP software, you need the USB dongle, and we also available with the calendering, another RIP software. So the RIP software, we recommend the Mentop, FlexiPrint, and also the calendering. Yes, and for the picture designer, actually we recommend use Photoshop. You just need to make a spot channel with Photoshop, and you can print the white ink. Yeah, white ink is as a spot channel.
Okay guys, so I hope you understood our live stream today, and I hope to see you guys next week Wednesday as we introduce the Star 3 DTF printer. So guys, if you have any questions or any inquiries, feel free to let me know. And we have agents in many countries as well, for example USA, Canada, Italy, Germany, France. So if you want to buy this machine for your own use, or you want to be your agent, you can leave your email and your contact details. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. Thank you so much guys for joining me today. Goodbye.